Done, 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 done. Okay, it's stuck to my face, it's stuck to my... I'm gonna talk really loudly. I don't know what that is. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a tiny bit different, more of an informative video. It's not a haul today, it is a fashion hacks video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all my tips and tricks on fashion because you ask lots of questions about how I do this or how I do that, and just some little helpful hints on the big wide world of fashion, because there is so many clothing brands out there, there's so many things to shop, there's new trends every single day and it's very difficult to keep up. Trust me, I can't. So the first tip is actually probably the funniest tip, and that is these bad boys. Now you may be thinking, Misha, what the hell are those? Well, these are nipple covers from Primark. They are silicone petal nipple covers and they are honestly the best invention of life. They have changed my fashion wearing game because I can literally wear anything and not worry because I've got these protecting me. Because they're a silicone, they don't have like a funny little line. You honestly cannot see them in the slightest. They are so good. I love them. I literally wear them all the time. They are £2, which is just like bargain central, and you can reuse them. Like, these last you a good while because they're sticky on the back and they don't unsticky. They're not gonna like flop off your boob midday. Like, do not worry, you're good. Primark nipple covers have got your back, but honestly, if you don't own a pair of these, pop off to Primark and invest £2 because your life will be changed. Really randomly, I actually found out about these because my sister and her friend went on a night out, and the next morning I went into my sister's room and there was a nipple cover like this, just stuck on like a bottle, like that, and I was like, what the hell is this? I then got told all about the joys of Primark stick-on nipple covers, and my life was changed from that moment. Yes. Okay, next I'm actually gonna take you guys to my MacBook. Now I'm currently sat at my desk, which is where I spend a lot of my time. The time that you guys don't necessarily see, because this is when I'm planning, I'm organising, I'm adulting, let's say. And my Mac has got some right helpful hints on it. And that is because I'm going to talk to you guys today about a site called Readily. So, you guys always ask where I get my fashion inspo and how I can like stay up to date with what's going on. And it's so difficult because you don't want to be going out and buying new magazines each week because one, you're killing the environment, two, that's expensive, and yeah, it's just so much easier to have a desktop version. So Readily is basically an online platform where you can sign up and you get access to thousands and thousands of magazines. There's actually over 2,600 magazines on there. So even if you don't want fashion tips, say you want to know the latest gossip, you want to learn about golf, you want to learn about photography, like anything is covered on the Readily site. They also have an app version, but honestly, this has literally saved my fashion game because they've got Vogue, they've got Elle, they've got everything. I don't have to go out and spend a ridiculous amount of money or kill the environment, because at the end of the day, magazines are made of trees, which are dying. So I actually have a little gift for all of you that want to check out Readily. They've actually offered to give you guys 3 months worth of access for the price of only one, which is £7.99. Now think about how much magazines are and then how many you get for the same price. Honestly, Readily is such a clever invention, and it's just so brilliant. So I'm going to take you guys onto the site and we're going to have a little look and we're going to grab some fashion inspo from maybe like Vogue or Elle. But yes, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check out the site. And yes, thank you so much to Readily for sponsoring this video. And I just absolutely love the concept behind it, because not only is it saving the environment, making us dress well, and it's just so clever. Like, I wish I would come up with something like that. I wish I would, but sadly I'm not that person. So look, we can discover all the magazines on offer, all categories. There is hundreds. thousands of magazines. I mean, we could even be into dogs if we wanted to, but shall we go to Vogue, because that is where we can get lots of our fashion inspo. So let's open it in Readly. And what I really love about Readly is the fact that it's not just a web version of a magazine. You actually get to see the magazine in all its glory, because online magazines just aren't the same as the printouts, and I totally understand that. So, I mean, I'm just like blown away. We see so much fashion inspo, we can keep up to date with trends, and thank you so much to Readly because it's just such a brilliant concept. Now, should we have a little explore at some of the other goodies? So there is actually over 35 different categories: women's interest, lifestyle, hunting, fishing, luxury. There is literally something for everyone. Say you're a guy, say you're a girl, there's even kids, and you can have 5 profile users per account. So your little kiddie winks or your boyfriend can all read all the different magazines that you wish, which is perfect. And do you want to know the best bit about it? You don't have to be online to be able to read the magazines. You can download them and have them offline. So say you're on the train, say you're on the tube, you can keep up to date without having Wi-Fi underground, which we know we sadly do not have. That invention has not happened yet, but maybe I should be the first one to do that. Let's see. Next, I'm going to move on to something that I actually talk about very often, but I just have to highlight it. So I have this little bag of Lee Stafford goodies. Now, Lee Stafford is a hair care brand. So Misha, why do you have a bag of Lee Stafford? Well, in here, very unsafe, I know, but I have loads of sunglasses. Now, I know I should not keep my sunglasses like this. I know. But one of the amazing things about the high street is their cheap sunglasses. You can literally get... don't know what that is. Designer dupe, inexpensive sunglasses from everywhere. I've got some from Primark, some from Pretty Little Thing, I've got some from Topshop, I've got some from Forever 21. Like, honestly, look at these from Primark. Look at those with those little details. That you do not need to spend ridiculous amounts of money on a pair of sunglasses that if you're anything like me, you will snap, you will break, you'll just accidentally sit on them. That's what I do. So you can get so many fun, exciting colours and shapes, and you don't need to spend loads of money on sunglasses because they're literally just sunglasses. It's not like a coat or a jacket or a pair of jeans that you will hopefully not break. Like, sunglasses are dangerous. The amount of pair of sunglasses that I've lost in my lifetime is actually sad, but when they're like £2 or £3, maybe £10 from different high street stores, you cannot complain so much when you break and lose them. You can still have a little cry, but only a single tear is allowed. You may spot behind me a clothing rail that I actually have. Now, I think seeing the clothes that are brand new or that you want to wear, or pieces that have been in your wardrobe for months that you just haven't managed to get the wear out of, put them on a rail, put them on show. Make sure you can see your clothes, because that is so much more inspiring to wear them. If you're constantly reminded about them, you want to wear them. You are much more likely to wear them. So my clothing rail is literally like my favourite thing ever. I literally have this in my bedroom, and I put all my new in pieces or things that I really want to wear or I need to shoot, and then I know what's going on and I'm all up to date and making sure that I am not wasting any of my clothes. You may spot on here like my favourite thing on the planet right now, which is these Pretty Little Thing shirts. Yes, I'm gonna get all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades that I have of this shirt. This is actually a fashion hack, because if you don't have this shirt, then you should. Oh, yes, I have 7 shades of the same shirt. Is that excessive? Completely. But I would 1,000,000% recommend you all guys buying one. Maybe the white or the black is probably the most wearable for your normal person, but I have the champagne, the chartreuse, the orange, the black, the white, the lilac, and the pink. So yes, I absolutely love this shirt. I think it retails for about £20, and I'll of course link it down below. A lot of the colours are out of stock, but I will link the colours that are in stock. I still really want to get my hands on the red one, the teal one, and the green one. It was teal green, I'm not sure, but I just need every single shade, because not only are they an amazing price for such a high quality looking item, like you can pay hundreds of pounds for silk shirts, but I literally wear them all day, every day. They go with everything. You can wear them in a million different ways. You can like have it open, you can tie it up in a knot, you can tuck it in, you can just wear it like a normal shirt. Like, they are honestly such a staple piece in my wardrobe, and I have not stopped wearing them since I got them. And do I regret having 7 shades? No. Do I think you need 7 shades? No. So maybe stick with 1, but I can't help it. My next hack is definitely gonna make you giggle because it's a steamer. Yes, yes, I have a mini steamer, and you know who inspired me to buy this? Patricia Bright. Thank you, Patricia Bright, because you mentioned this in one of your hauls and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the best invention ever. I'm gonna jump on Amazon and get myself a mini steamer. A mini steamer. So clever. So you literally, it's like a mini kettle. You just open the nozzle, you put water in it, and then you just plug it in, you flick it on like a kettle, it boils, and then all the steam starts coming out. Oh my gosh, shall I do it? Okay, 1 sec, I'm gonna go start steaming. This is so much fun. But it literally makes it so easy to iron your clothes, because I don't know if you are like me, but I cannot iron for toffee. I don't know what it is, but I seem to iron more creases into my clothes than iron them out. But this is just like the best invention ever. A mini steamer. How clever. Also, you can take it traveling with you, because who wants to carry an ironing board? I'm gonna go plug this in, get some water in it, and we can start steaming my face. I wouldn't actually suggest that, don't do that. It says don't tip over 45 degrees and don't touch. Okay, I filled it up with water. I've made I've made sure to not go over the maximum line. And now we're gonna plug in my steamer, because if I'm gonna give you guys a hack, then I'm gonna show it to you as well. I'm gonna prove it. Okay, we turn it on. Now I'm just gonna sit that there. In the meantime, whilst my kettle steamer boils, I'm gonna carry on to the next hack. And my next hack is actually a store, and this might be distracting. So I'm gonna talk really loudly, I apologise. Okay, wait, steamer, you need to move away over there so that Misha can still talk whilst you steam. Leave that there so you guys can see it. If it starts, okay. I don't think I can move on to my next one. I think it's a bit too noisy. Can you hear it? Can you hear that? I feel like I've got my own little like Power Ranger gun. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, this probably isn't safe to go near my camera. Can we see it? It's literally like a little teapot. Oh, there's steam starting to come. Can you see that? Oh, you guys can't see it. How do I make you see steam? Okay, oh, ignore my fake tan. Oh my gosh, why can't you see the steam? How do I make you see the steam? I promise it's steaming, you can hear it. I can see the steam. So then, shall I grab one of these that are a little bit creased? Say this purple one that I wore yesterday. You literally just go like that. Just like that. Easy, breezy, beautiful. How clever. I do think it does take a little while because obviously it needs to get the fabric hot, but that's fine. Okay, I'm going to turn off my steamer now. Can you see all that steam? You guys get the gist. You know what's going on. You know how the steamer works. Yes. Back to the next hack is actually Primark. Now, I think if you don't have much money to spend and you have loads of money to spend, you should still shop at Primark. It's honestly just amazing. It's amazing. And you can find such fashion bargains. And that's what I mean. Even if you have thousands upon thousands and billions of pounds to spend on clothes, why wouldn't you still shop at Primark? Because you want to save yourself some dollar. Dollar, 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 dollar. Share your dollar. Okay, I'm going to actually show you guys two of my favourite pieces that I have from Primark. Now, these boots you will have seen all over my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Misha_Grimes, and you should, so that you can see all my fashion tips in real life in styled up situations. So yes, these boots are from Primark. They were £3. £3. Yes, I did get them in the sale, so they weren't originally £3, but I think originally they were still like 11 or 7, something like that. and I live in these boots. They are a bit wrecked because they're white boots, and that's why I wouldn't spend money on them, because they're white boots, they're gonna get wrecked. My mum also actually went and got, well, actually I got my mum the 7s then, because I'm a 6 and mum's a 7, and I've got so much wear out of these. I love them. They were Primark, they were £3, and I don't think they look cheap. I mean, I know white boots won't be everyone's cup of tea, but because they're one of those things that you don't necessarily know if it's a trend that's going to stay, don't waste your money on it. Like, buy cheaper items, because there are so many trends every single day, and I wouldn't say that you need to keep up with the trends. I don't keep up with trends. I wear what I want to wear when I wear it, and I feel like I accidentally stay on trend at times, not complimenting myself. Sometimes I really don't, because I see stuff that's in store and I really like it, and then you just kind of fall into the trend because you're buying the stuff that's on trend, but you're not trying to buy on trend, if you know what I mean. And then also another piece from Primark I have on my rail is this denim jacket. Now, it has the label in it, but I have worn it, but I am a person that leaves the labels in even when they wear them. Not because I'm going to return it, I just forget to take out the labels. So here we have this pink denim jacket. Now, I know so many of you guys want to get your hands on it, and recently when I went to London, Oxford Circus, Primark, there was loads of them, like literally like 35 of them. I don't know if that's specific, but yes, this jacket was £20. And again, a pink denim jacket may not be in trend next year, so £20 is still a lot of money, but in the grand scheme of denim jackets, it's not crazy expensive. But Primark is your best friend for fashion hacks. They have such great basics, they have such great key fashion pieces. Like, honestly, if you've never shopped at Primark before, please go to Primark and just change your life. Change your life. Moving on to how to either make money or spend a little bit less money. So, Depop is a fabulous app that I'm sure hundreds of you guys use, and I use it as well. Check out my Depop, it's MishaG, I think. I will leave it down below. And obviously I have a lot of clothes that I don't necessarily get to wear, or I've worn and now I've got too many, so I need to get rid of some of them. And of course, I'm not just going to go and throw them in the bin. I want to share the fashion love with you guys, so that's why I sell them on Depop. It literally allows anyone to sell their clothes and make some money back that you can then either save, or you could spend on other clothes on the app, because other people sell things as well. So say you've seen something in a store that you absolutely love, but you don't want to pay the full price on it. Wait around on Depop for a little bit, because the likelihood is that someone will have bought it and then either their receipt is timed out and they didn't get enough time to return it, or they've worn it once and it's not their cup of tea, or they've worn it a couple of times and they're just not sure it suits them. Well, then they're going to sell it on Depop, and they're going to sell it for a margin of the price that the original was. So yes, download Depop. It's so clever. You can make money and save money / spend money and all of the above. Now, I'm actually going to bring this fashion hacks video to an end. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and it's been helpful. Let me know if we like these slightly more serious, I mean, am I ever serious? But you know what I mean, these slightly more, what would I say, informative videos where I just kind of try and spread the fashion love. I am no fashion expert. Not everyone is going to like everything that I wear, and that's okay. And that kind of leads me on to my final point. It doesn't matter what anyone thinks about your fashion sense, as long as you love it. That is the most important thing. Just because someone says that you shouldn't wear something, if you want to wear it, then you wear it, because it's your body, it's your fashion sense, it's who you are. And I love, love, love that fashion lets us show our personality. It lets us change it every single day. I am that person that I'll wear black one day, pink the next, purple the next, girly the next, biker chickie the next. Like, I don't have a set fashion sense of style, and I think that's brilliant, because there should be no way you have to dress, or no person that tells you what you're going to wear and what you're not going to wear, because it is down to you. So if you love what you're wearing, then you rock it, you be confident and slay that outfit, slay that catwalk of life. And yeah, I hope these have been very helpful for you guys, and let me know if you guys have any other fashion hacks. Comment down below any hacks that I've missed out on and that you guys would love to share with everyone. Have a little convo in comment and I will come and join you, of course. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this has been a lot of fun, just being able to talk about something with a bit more knowledge and a bit more background story, and just share how you don't have to break the bank to stay on trend, or just little hacks like nipple covers. Oh, like nipple covers. Oh my gosh, they look like, no, you know what they look like? They look like those eye gel things that when you go to a, I mean, why am I putting nipple covers on my eyeballs? I don't, oh my gosh, they're stuck to my face. Okay, it's stuck to my face, it's stuck to my face. I hope you guys have found this very light and fun and everything like that. So I will see you all next time. Bye bye, lots of love, and yeah, toodle pick. Bye.